Aussie dollar daily forecast, October 18th, fxempire.com. Well, you can see the Australian dollar definitely had a good session on Wednesday as we continue to rise, and it continues to prove the 102 level is massive support. But as I draw that rectangle, you can see that we are most decidedly in a consolidation area. And as is often the case, right around the middle, you get some type of midpoint that causes reactions from time to time, which suggest why the 1.0384 close. Looking at this, it does look like we're trying to make our way back up to 106. If we get above 106, then we think we go to 110 based upon the 400 pips height of this rectangle you just added to your breakout, and that's classic technical analysis. Alternately, if we break down 102, this would move the market down to 98. But this is probably the least likely in the scenario. We think the Australian dollar will more than likely just bounce around in this general vicinity over the near term because commodities will do well against a U.S. dollar that's being weakened by the Federal Reserve. But the problem in Australia is that the Reserve Bank of Australia does look to cut rates twice over the next 6 months. And with that, that does make it underperform. But it doesn't mean that it can't be a nice range bound trade, and that's exactly what we're looking at. Right here, we're not interested because you're kind of in no man's land. But if we see resistance at 106, we're willing to sell, or pullbacks that show signs of support, we're willing to buy.